All right, Jamaica, listen. Jamaica. Everybody pay attention this way. We need your prayers. No. No. Yes, God just bring we through the hurricane and we come out with not so many deaths, even though a lot of places were damaged. And we're grateful and we're thankful, but we're knocking on the Lord's door once again. Listen, Shericka Jackson over some place on one part. I'm not even interested in where the race was. I'm watching the race, and I watched Shericka pull up just now in the 200, and the grimacing look on her face, and the way she limped off the track, and that sad look at the end of the race. Matter of fact, it was a concerned look. You know, Shericka is not new to this now, so she pretty much knows her body. And she will know if, okay, that was just a little thing I was trying to save, or if, damn, that's a friggin' injury, man. Right? Hear what? The Olympics is only 2 weeks and change away. Yes. So the first thing everybody is asking is, why in God's name is Shericka Jackson out here competing now on the world stage when she should be preserving herself for the Olympics? I don't know, you know. I know that our athletes are not paid like American athletes are. So, whole heap of sponsorship and appearances and all these other kind of things. So, therefore, you know, the money might not be there. And people don't go into professional sports just to look good on the track or look good on the field or on the court. People want to be able to pay their bills and live a nice lifestyle as well. I feel some kind of way right now, because that's the first thing I'm asking. Why is Shericka out there competing now? Shericka was not the only Jamaican in the race today, and I don't want to dishonor the other Jamaican that was in the race, but I know them me come to talk about. And people must understand, so the reason why I'm talking about Shericka Jackson right now and her potential injury, or what it looks like to me with that grimacing look on her face. Shericka is our hope, or one part of our hope. We have Elaine Thompson-Herah, who is already out of the Olympics, and this is supposed to be the defending Olympic champion for the 100 and the 200 meters. And Jamaica would have been on her chest and on her back, and she is out. The next champion would be Shericka in line for that, of course, along with Mommy Rocket, and Mommy Rocket is looking to retire this year. But Shericka is the one that we were looking to. You know, things happen, you know. Shericka just said, I'm watching her speak, and she just said at an interview, she was like, my body is feeling good. Everything is working fine. This is the best shape I've ever been in. And me I look upon her and me I say, you know, she look like she been in the best shape of her life. No, Shericka look muscle up and tick up and these kind of things. It's not the little skinny Shericka. She now looks like she has come into her own, right? And then boom, this happened. Me don't know how to feel. I don't know. I just feel like somebody should have not had her out there competing. No. You know, some of these races, none of these races are for free. And I'm sure she wouldn't be out there risking it all 2.5 weeks away from the Olympics at some race that a lot of us don't even know about, right? I'm sure there was a purse on the table for the winner of this race. Sometimes it comes down to just scraping up the money and being at these events and, you know, making money along the way towards the championship. But we talking Olympics, man. We're talking the 2024 Olympics. And then again, not only I think about Shericka for Jamaica representation in the 200, you're thinking about she's a triple threat, because you're thinking about Shericka being missing to represent Jamaica in the 200. You're thinking about Shericka Jackson being missing to represent Jamaica in the 100. You're thinking about Shericka Jackson being missing to represent Jamaica in the 4x100 meter relays as well. Jaja God. Listen now. May I keep that one here short today now. I'm just saying to everybody, man, God, Please hear these prayers because me sure we had our pot covers ready and we were looking forward to the Olympics, and we just hope say she pull up and she was able to save herself from an injury just now. Hope the coach them can rub out the little soreness that's there, and then she will show up when it's the time is right and show out and make Jamaica proud. In the event that this is an injury where she cannot go forward, then me have to go grieve about that separately. But right now, my fingers are crossed. All my heartstring crossed, Yeah, even my heartstring crossed right now. I just want her to make it to the Olympics so she can represent Jamaica, because I know that great things are about to happen at the Olympics. Alright, leave your comments in the comment section below. The footage you're watching is not mine. I got it from FloTrack. You can go to FloTrack on YouTube and check out their channel and watch the entire race, and you will see where Shericka comes around the bend on the 200 meters. She was leading. She looked like she was going to win the race, and then she pulled up, and the Bahamian girl ran past her when she pulled up and took it. Right, so shout out to them. But let's hope that our champion is okay. Shericka Jackson. Keep her in your prayers. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Just a short update. I'm out. Peace.